No.
Still going, but don't care. Cause we used to have a year pass for Disneyland.